Hey, recently I went through a bit of a phase of being interested in geometric solids, particularly platonic solids, and I thought it would be a cool idea to turn one into a lampshade. So I did. So here is my dodecahedron lampshade. So a dodecahedron is a 12-sided solid, and they're all pentagonal faces. And this is made up of obviously 12 panels that I 3D printed. So here is one of the panels. So this one is actually a base panel. It has this feature here that allows it to attach to the lampshade, the lamp stand itself. And it's thin through here, about 0.4 millimeters thin, or 4 layers at 0.1 millimeter layer height. It's got kind of ribs around the side that give it strength, and then all the panels clip together with these small little features. The lampshade has a hole at the top, so you can get your hand in to change the bulb if you need to. Just bought a lamp and then took off the existing shade and then made this to suit. It's printed from Prusa Galaxy Purple filament on my Prusa printer, and I used a concentric infill pattern on the bottom face, which gives it kind of these lines and this pattern that you can see on there, which I think looks quite cool. If you want to make your own, all the files are on GitHub, link below. Thanks for watching.